That is what I think. People, here it is. Yes, my people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, man, it's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with another banger cook up. Yeah, man, I'm telling the people. Many of you have been requesting this one for a long time now. So, but it's here, finally here. I'm gonna do today a macaroni and cheese tutorial. You know, for those of you who love macaroni and cheese, and for those who have been requesting macaroni and cheese, it is here. You know, and I was gonna take this time out to appreciate my new subscribers. Them, you know, guys, I appreciate the love so much. I'm telling you, man, I'm overwhelmed. You know, so thank you very much for coming. You know, and please, when you guys watch the video, please give me a thumbs up. It's very important that you give me a thumbs up, you know, and also leave a comment in the comment section, people. May I tell you, say, yo, Cook and Inspire in the kitchen. I'm telling you, man, this macaroni and cheese that I'm going to be doing today, it's not the normal macaroni and cheese. It's going to be Chef Garnet style. You see what I say? What I say? Chef Garnet style it's going to be. It's not going to be like a usual macaroni and cheese that you normally see, you know. So, people, I'm going to just get straight into this video and let you know see what I want. Yeah? So, before I get into that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Put on your notification bell also. And don't forget, you know, remember to give me the thumbs up. It's right over here, so, by your left hand side. Yeah, man. Turn it blue and just leave a comment in the comment section. So, big up on yourself, and you'll get right into the video right now. See? Yeah, so you may have a pot of water over here, so I boil up. But you start boil up yet. I'm going to put in some salt. This is for the macaroni. I'm going to get the macaroni up and running. You know, so I want you to follow me, guys. I want you to follow me very careful, because you're not going to see this anywhere else. I'm telling you, I'm not bragging, I'm not boasting, but I'm just putting a bit of salt in the water, you know, for the macaroni. Yes, guys, so it is this time for our macaroni. So basically what I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using some macaroni. I'm going to use 1.5 pack of macaroni, you know, so my water is already started to boil up. Hold on, there's one thing I'll do. Just tip a little bit of vegetable oil in the water when you're doing the macaroni. So I'm going to go in with my macaroni now. So that's 1 pack. I'm not going to do a lot. Okay, so I'll let that boil up. I don't want it to, and when you're doing that, please don't overboil your macaroni. You know, you don't want it to, guys, don't forget you're going to put it in the oven, and it's going to become soft as well, finish cook. You know, so that's reasonable, you know, use a judgment when you're doing it. Yeah, so that's it. I leave that to go on while I'm gonna make up my sauce for the macaroni now. So I'm using some butter. I'm using vegetable, sunflower. So a little bit of butter. So I want you to follow me very carefully, you know, because it's gonna be really nice. So get the butter in there. I'm going to put a tablespoon and a half of flour with the butter. So get the butter melt. Get the stove down. Don't bring your flame up too high. Just right. So here we are now. In goes the flour bit by bit. You know, you don't want to put your flour in there at once, just bit by bit. You're gonna see it start a little lumpy, but never mind that. Mix it up bit by bit. You see that? That's it. Put a pint of milk in and mix out that butter and flour. Okay, so let me finish mix this up and then come back and show you when I'll be putting in the rest of ingredients. Right, so here it is, our sauce is coming together. So I'm going to teach you a little thing, guys. I also, when you're doing the macaroni and cheese, you know, many people don't use it, but I find give the macaroni and cheese a nicer taste, flavor to it. So I'm going to grate a little bit of onion in my macaroni sauce. Mix that in. Yeah, so what I'm going to be doing next, I'll be seasoning. You need to season up your macaroni, guys, when you're doing it. So I'm going to go in with my favorite. My wife always talk about Maggi, and I will always mention Maggi in my video so long as I'm using it. I love Maggi. So here we are. And I'll be using a bit of paprika, a little bit of black pepper. Give it a mix. If you haven't yet tried your macaroni and cheese, I've got some freshly chopped parsley. And I'll be using some bell peppers. I've chopped really fine bell pepper. As I said, these are optional. You don't have to if you don't like these stuff. Alright, so I'm just going with a little bit more milk. There you are. If you haven't yet, guys, try this one. My cheese sauce mix. Yeah? I'm not gonna tell you what brand it is. You know, my cheese sauce mix. So what you do, you just put a little bit. I'm gonna use about half a jar. That cheese sauce. What this does is give it a nice little cheesier flavor. I'm telling you guys, it's so nice. See that starts to get thick already? Don't forget, you have to keep mixing it because you don't want it to burn and burn. A little bit more of that cheesy sauce mix. Really quick, you see that? Guys, if you look at the sauce, you can see how lovely that is coming on, and the cheese is not in there yet. You know, so just keep mixing it. So now I'm gonna go in with my cheese. I've got red Leicester and I've got mild cheddar cheese. Is it mild cheddar, babes?
It's mature.
Huh?
Oh, it's mature.
Mature. All right. Hear that, people? She cut up the cheese now. She have to make me know that she cut up the cheese. But you know the cheese name. I haven't grated it because I think that it melts a bit more easier if it grates still. But why go through all that trouble and grate it when you can just cube it up and then just, as by the time you keep stirring it, it's gonna melt. You know, so yeah. And just keep stirring it until everything become nice, creamy, and smooth. See all that herbs in the sauce, people. Lovely. Awesome. So babes, you wanna drain that macaroni for me? I think that macaroni is cooked. So my kitchen assistant, you know the kitchen will be now. What is it, your kitchen assistant?
No, I'm not assistant.
Yeah, well. Hey, chef?
Yeah.
No, man, yeah, butter.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, butter on the chef, man. Yeah, so.
That would never work.
As you can see, macaroni is draining off over there. I'm gonna keep stirring my cheese. I'm gonna teach you a little bit of a trick. Yeah, so what I'll be using a bit of turmeric, you know, just to give that cheese sauce a bit of color. So some people like the macaroni and cheese to be really yellow or whatever color it is, but it's yellow. Yeah, so what I'll be doing, I'm just gonna tip a little bit of turmeric in that, and you're gonna see the color change instantly when I started to stir it. You see that? You don't want to go in heavily with the turmeric. You know, you're gonna tip it bit by bit, try to get the right color. You see how yellow that is becoming? I think I need a little bit more. That's it. So don't forget, you know, when your macaroni and cheese to have that little color. Guys, so here we are, still stirring. As you can see, have a look at the cheese sauce. So yellow that becomes, and look how nice and juicy that is. You see? That's the texture that you need. And I'm gonna put in a bit of mozzarella cheese in there. You know, this will give it a little bit more texture to it. You know, not too much. Okay, so just mix that in until everything becomes nice and smooth. Look at that, guys. See that? Lovely. And over here, the macaroni is in drain, and I've added a bit of butter to it. I didn't remember to put it on camera, let you guys see, but I've added a little bit of butter to the macaroni. Okay, and just strain it off. Yes, guys, now it's the moment of truth. So this is how smooth that is now. Nice and smooth and silky. Let's taste this. Wow, guys, you want to taste that? So see, one pot of cheese sauce. I think I have a bit too much cheese sauce anyway, but I like it cheesy. See? So what I'm going to be doing, I'll be adding the macaroni to the cheese sauce. So this is how you do it. Lovely, guys. Just want to add everything to the mix. You want to mix this in. You want to get all the cheese and everything in those little pockets of the macaroni. You know, you want to baptize everything in cheese. You see that color going on in there? Let me add a little bit more color to that. A little bit more color to that. A little bit more parsley to that. I love colors. Just pour that in. Nice. I'm going to put this in the oven now for around 15 minutes. Then take it out, put my breadcrumbs on. Preheated oven, 150 degrees. So now I'm going to do my breadcrumb to go on the top of the macaroni and cheese. So I'm going to show you how I'll be doing my breadcrumbs. You can also buy your breadcrumbs in the store, you know. So you don't have to go ahead and do it. So I'm already, as you see, I've got around a slice of bread here, I've grated. You can see, and I've got a pan there. I'm going to toast the crumb. So I need just a little bit of butter, yeah. The butter is melted. So just add your breadcrumb to the pot with the butter. That's it. Let's do that like that. And just mix it around. Just absorb the butter. I want you to rate this macaroni and cheese for me. You know, let's give it a rating. I want you guys to turn that thumbs up button blue. You know, because sometimes I see the views not matching up with the likes. You know, so whenever time you watch the video, please like by giving the thumbs up. Very important, guys. See that now? Lovely. Here we are with our breadcrumb. Let's sprinkle a little bit of the breadcrumb over the top. That mac and cheese. Alright, so let's put that back in the oven. Yes. That's it, guys. So I'll come back in the next 10 to 15 minutes. That should be done. Yes, guys, so here we have it now, our finished product of macaroni and cheese. Never mind if you see it breaking up like this because it's hot. Okay, I'll just take it out of the oven. So yeah, see that? Let that cool down. Wow, that's gonna be nice. I'm I'm gonna serve that with some chicken that I've just done. Babes, I feel like I'm gonna grab my food now, so look a bit of corn on the side. I've done some local oven baked chicken to go with my little macaroni and cheese. This is my dinner. So I'm gonna eat two leg. A little bit of gravy. See the peeps. I'll clean up this plate and show you what I go on. You know, see a 5-star restaurant there, you know. 5-star cook and inspire restaurant there, you know. So we have the dirty plate, so have it treated thing like a restaurant with there. Yeah. Man, I look a bit of spring onion just to garnish it. See there? If you want, you can put a little parsley on it as well. You know, see there? See the people? I eat that. You know, this is a man of many colors. So I like colors in my plate. Talk true. Tell me if you don't like that, people. Tell me if you don't like that. So here we have it. Macaroni and cheese. Chef Garnet style. Not your style. Not my wife's style. Chef Garnet style. See? See there? So nice that look. Wait till that cool down. Talk something else. So don't forget, people, to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man, and tell a friend. Go over to my channel and check it out. Some wicked, you know, we call wicked good and good bad. So we did that Jamaica. So yeah, man. So people,
Taste is good.
you're not tasting none of them. You're not tasting this and that. That's when you grab the food and run. So this time, I'm not gonna taste it. So people, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Wow. My youth. To a food, that's the last word.
Sure, I'm burn your tongue
Yeah, man, see there? Oven baked chicken.
Can I taste?
We're not taste this one again. So, people, here is Chef Garnet in and out the what? Remember, say? In and out the kitchen.